First, transfer your USDT from your funding account to your trading account. Tap Transfer, select USDT, enter your amount and confirm. Once your USDT is in your trading account, tap the Trade button in the center of the navigation bar. Select the Futures tab, then select USDT-margined to view the available perpetual pairs. For this walkthrough, we are using BTC USDT as an example. This is the trading screen. Before entering an amount, tap the Leverage button next to Isolated. It currently shows 2 times. Lower leverage generally means your liquidation price is further away, giving you more room if the market moves against your position. Enter your position size, then tap Buy Long or Sell Short to open a position. You can monitor open positions in the Positions tab and view balances in the Assets tab. Derivatives involve significant risk of loss. This information is general in nature and is not investment advice. Next module covers leverage and margin in detail.